Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, today we are going to do the chapter that I will not tell you. I will ask few of the question and in my question only my answer will be there. Fine, my first question is how do you drink your milk? In the glass? Yes, your mother serves you your food in which utensil, that is your dish. Fine. And how do your mother cook the food? Using pressure cooker or using a wok or using saucepan? How do your mother make tea? Using saucepan. And how do you eat sweet dish? With cutlery or with spoon? Yes. So that is our topic for today is, today we are going to learn the different object which were using for cooking food, for serving food, for eating food in the kitchen. So children, let's start as today's topic, that is page number 44, unit 2, in the kitchen. So as children, you can see different part or different things in kitchen. So first of all, we will talk about different parts of our home. See, we in our home we have different parts. We have drawing room, we have bedroom, we have study room, we have kitchen. So along with all these parts, we have hall also, and different parts we have dining area also. But among all these parts, kitchen is a very important part. Fine, kitchen is a very basic and very important part of our home. See, we are cooking food in the kitchen. Along with that hygiene which we have to maintain in kitchen, that is also very important. Now, cooking food is whole and sole dependent upon the objects, the things which we were using at our kitchen. Fine. So in kitchen, if you find it out, we were using spoon, fork, glass, bowl, dish, and then pressure cooker, wok, saucepan, and different things we were using. In fact, we were using different electric equipment also, like for making or for baking we were using microwave, for cooking or for making mixture of anything, that we are using mixture. And along with that we were using a different, like for example, if we have to cook or we have to make tea, we are not making tea in pressure cooker, we are making tea in saucepan. Fine. And if you have to eat curd, so you are not going to eat curd using ladle. Fine. Ladle means जो बड़ी कड़छी होती है, उससे तो आप दही नहीं खाएंगे. You are eating that curd with spoon only. Fine. So we have different object or different utensils which we were using for serving, and different utensils which were used for cooking. So today children, we are going to learn about different kind of utensils and how do we use them, that also we will see. As you can see this page in your book, you can find it out different utensils here, and some of the utensils which are used as serving also, and different things we have. So we'll start this chapter, and along with the chapter I am going to show you this picture also, what is there. Now as you can see in the kitchen, pick words from the help box to identify things used in kitchen. Now the first thing you can see in your book, this picture number 1. What is this? This is wok. Yes, and we often called it kadhai also. Kadhai also, and that is wok. Now wok is used for frying things. Wok is used. Write down this answer in your book, WOK, wok. Wok is used for frying things, for deep frying, for cooking vegetable, for cooking or making tadka of dal also. For all these things we were using that wok. Fine. Different uses of wok is there. For making vegetable also we were using wok. For cooking or for making tadka of something, that also we were using wok. So wok is very important thing. Frying, deep frying, everything. Frying of things will be done in this wok only. Fine. Now we'll come to number 2 picture. Can you see this picture? Wait a minute. I'll show you this picture and just tell me what is that number 2 picture is. This. Yes, that is correct. That is sieve. That is sieve. Sometime we called it strainer also. Sometime we called it strainer also. Now sieve means the thing which you are using to sieve out. Means छालनी की तरह जब हम use करते हैं. Now the sieve is used for separating some unwanted things from wanted object. For example, sieve को हम use करते हैं. Like हमें आटे में से we have some kind of a waste product will be there, तो we were sieving it sometime. तो सीव हम उसे छालने के लिए यूज करते हैं. आप हिंदी में उसको छलनी भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सीव इज यूज टू सेपरेट द अनवांटेड ऑब्जेक्ट. जो चीजें हमें नहीं चाहिए आटे के अंदर, लाइक जो रफ मटेरियल है, दैट वी डोंट रिक्वायर्ड इन दैट आटा. फाइन. तो उस आटे में से उसको सेपरेट करने के लिए वी रिक्वायर्ड सीव. फाइन. तो वोक इज क्लियर. कढ़ाई आपको क्लियर हो गई. वोक इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. Wok is used for frying and deep frying process. Next is sieve. Sieve is used for sieving, for separating the unwanted material which is not required in other useful things. Fine. So sieve is used to separate those things. Now number 3. Number 3 picture you can see in your book. This picture. Now what is this picture? This picture is of different dishes. That is, dish means a serving plate, serving bowl, and commonly we called it crockery. We called it crockery. You can write all these answers along with me. Crockery. 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 Now why it is called crockery? Because it is made up of material that is a mixture of that China dish kind of it things will be there. Like वो सब molten जो हमारा होता है, sand होती है, a mixture of sand with some bowl, and then they were forming it. Fine. Then crockery is formed, and अगर वो आपकी हाथ से छूट करके गिर जाती है, that will be broken. So that comes in crockery. Crockery also you find it out कि आपके घर में एक दूसरे के ऐसे 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 करके, and that is your part of crockery. So I can show you one crockery thing. So you can see this bowl, this kind of a bowl if you have it at your home. Now this bowl and these kind of a cups will come in the category of crockery. If you can find it out at your home also, these kind of a bowl and cups also comes in the category of crockery. Okay, because these are made up of sand and a mixture of bone also, animal's bone, and इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, crockery. ऐसे आपके घर में भी bowl you have seen, and these comes in the category of crockery. Crockery, why it is called crockery? Because if it will be आपके हाथ से अगर छूट जाएगा, that it will be broken. Crock हो जाएगा crockery. So that is called crockery. Now we'll come to our next thing. Next is, you can see different spices. ये देखिए पिक्चर में, you can find it out different spices or things which were putting in the vegetable में different spices जो हम डालते हैं. So all these things were there. अब इसको क्या बोलते हैं? What we called it? That is condiments. That is called condiments. Condiments. Fine. So these are called condiments. Fine. So what we have done, first four things we have done. That is, first is wok, which is used for frying and deep frying. Second is sieve, which is used to separate unwanted things from that wanted material. Number 3 will be your crockery, which is used for serving, and I have shown you that crockery also just now. ये आपने को वो मैंने अभी दिखाया था. See this crockery, and why it is called crockery? Because if it will be छूट जाएगा हाथ से तो it will be broken. That's why it is called crockery. And number 4 is condiments. Condiments means the spices, different kind of spices. उसमें क्या होगा आपका that raw material जो भी होगा, like जो खड़े जो आपके spices होते हैं, like दालचीनी और ये different spices which were there, वो भी हमारे अंदर उसके अंदर आएंगे. And along with that दूसरे spices like आपके पास salt है, धनिया पाउडर, कोरिएंडर पाउडर है, रेड चिली पाउडर, टर्मरिक पाउडर, all these comes in condiments. Now we'll talk about next picture. What is that? Okay, I'll show you. You can see here. Which picture is this? Can you make a guess? Yes, that is saucepan. That is saucepan. Now, what is the use of saucepan? Now, don't tell me कि saucepan is used to make sauce only. No, not like that. Saucepan is not used only for making sauce. Saucepan सिर्फ sauce बनाने के लिए use नहीं होता है. Saucepan is generally used for making tea. Fine, making tea, coffee, these kind of things. ठीक है, saucepan को, and for making water warm we were using saucepan. Fine. अभी देखो what I have told you in the beginning कि हमारे पास किचन में we have different material, different object, but we cannot do the same thing in all the object. We were using different kind of a material to use the different kind of a things. आपको खाना बनाना है, आपको कुछ प्रेशर कुक करना है, you will use pressure cooker. अब pressure cook cannot be done in saucepan. Fine. उसी तरह से आपको टी बनाना है, then you are using saucepan. Now tea cannot be made in pressure cooker. आप क्या करते हैं, चाय को बनाने के लिए उसमें सीटी लगाते हैं? No ना. So that is what कि saucepan generally for doing a task you are using that particular kind of a object, particular kind of a utensil. तो अभी हमने 5th number पे किया, we have done saucepan. Saucepan is generally used to make, actually why the name saucepan is given, because this saucepan generally that is not used by Indian people, that is used by person those who are living in USA and different other countries where they are making different sauces. For example, वो अंगूर की भी सॉस बनाते हैं, ग्रेप्स की भी सॉस बनाते हैं, स्ट्रॉबेरीज की भी सॉस बनाते हैं. तो different kind of a sauces they were making, and for making that sauce they need an utensil which has a thick base, जिसका बेस थोड़ा सा मोटा होना चाहिए, so that that sauce will not be वो खराब ना हो. So that's why they were using that saucepan. Fine. And that saucepan will came at our country also. अब हमारी कंट्री में आ गया तो हमने उसके अंदर क्या बनाना शुरू किया. इन आवर कंट्री यू आर अवेयर कि इंडिया में तो ज़्यादा सॉस तो हम लोग बनाते नहीं है. वी वर मेकिंग ओनली फ्यू ऑफ द चटनीज, and if we are making sauce तो I think nobody is making at home, or if few of them were making it, so they can utilize that saucepan. Or otherwise the other utilization of saucepan is making tea, coffee in that. Fine. So now we'll come to our 6th picture which is quite familiar to you all. 6th picture किसका है देखिए. Okay, yes, that is pressure cooker. अब हम what are the different dishes we were making in that pressure cooker, that is very important. Different dishes we were making in pressure cooker. कौन कौन से dishes बनाते हैं हम pressure cooker में? We were making dal, rice, and we were making idlis also, and not many dishes we were cooking in pressure cooker. In fact, some kind of a baking also can be done in pressure cooker. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका thick base होता है which is quite useful for doing it. तो अभी प्रेशर कुकर में हम बहुत सारे डिशेस बनाते हैं. वाई इट इज कॉल्ड प्रेशर कुकर? बिकॉज दैट ये कुक करता है बाय मेकिंग प्रेशर इन दैट. फाइन. इन दैट इनसाइड द प्रेशर कुकर वो ऊपर विसल लगी होती है, उसका डिफरेंट पार्ट वर देयर, विसल होती है, गैस्केट जो वैसे रबड़ होती है साइड पे, उससे क्या होता है दैट एयर कैन नॉट बी रिलीज फ्रॉम दैट प्रेशर कुकर, प्रेशर कुकर में से एयर बाहर नहीं जा पाती है, और इन दैट ओनली वो प्रेशर कुक होती है, द थिंग्स विच विल केप्ट इनसाइड द कुकर दैट विल बी बिकम प्रेशर कुक, वो प्रेशर कुक होकर के एंड देन दैट विल बिकम cooked by using pressure inside the pressure cooker. That's why it is called pressure cooker. Now we'll come to next picture. You can see in your book. Now which picture is this? You can see a different knife, fork, small spoon, big spoon is there, teaspoon, and then serving spoon is also there. And what is called? These all comes in the category of cutlery. Number 7 is your cutlery. Cutlery means all those things will be used in this cutlery, which is used for serving, which is used for eating. Like for eating a sweet dish, you were using serving, using small spoon, and for eating dal, rice, and curd, you were using eating that spoon, small spoon, फिर teaspoon होता है, different kind of spoons we have. And apart from spoons we have fork also, मैगी खाने के लिए we use fork, and knife also for putting butter on bread, bread के ऊपर बटर लगाने के लिए we were using these knife. Fine. तो अभी क्या हो गया, it all comes in the name of cutlery. ये सबको अलग से spoon, knife, fork बोलने की बजाय we'll combinedly call them cutlery. अब यहाँ पे we cannot write 3 words, यहाँ पे हम 3 वर्ड्स नहीं लिखेंगे, दैट नाइफ, सर्विंग स्पून, स्मॉल टेबल स्पून एंड देन फोर्क. कंबाइनली वी कॉल देम कटलरी. एक साथ कंबाइन करके हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, कटलरी. नाउ नंबर 8 इज क्वाइट फेवरेट. आप उसमें बनाना शेक्स बनाते हैं, यू आर मेकिंग स्ट्रॉबेरी शेक्स, यू आर मेकिंग मैंगो शेक, यू आर योर मदर इज क्रशिंग डिफरेंट स्पाइसेस इन दैट. कोरिएंडर उसमें हो जाएगा क्रश, उसमें ब्लैक पेपर हो जाएगा, रेड चिली हो जाएगी, टर्मरिक ऑल्सो. तो व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड, व्हाट दैट पर्टिकुलर मशीन इज कॉल्ड, दैट मशीन इज कॉल्ड मिक्सर. समटाइम यू कॉल्ड इट मिक्सी ऑल्सो. फाइन. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड मिक्सर. उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, मिक्सर. अब मिक्सर हमारे किस लिए यूज होता है, डिफरेंट फॉर मेकिंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ए शेक्स. अलग अलग तरह के बनाना शेक बनाते हैं, उसमें स्ट्रॉबेरी शेक्स बनाते हैं, एंड डिफरेंट एकदम मजेदार शेक्स बना के, एंड डिलीशियस शेक्स. गर्मियों में मजा आता है उसको पीने में. ठीक है. तो अब वो डिफरेंट शेक्स हमारे कहाँ बनते हैं, मिक्सर के अंदर बनते हैं, एंड वी एंजॉय ईटिंग और ड्रिंकिंग दोज शेक्स. हमें मजा आता है उसको पीने में, अरे वाह क्या अच्छा मजेदार बना है. इन फैक्ट लस्सी एंड these kind of a very familiar things were made in that mixer only. बहुत अच्छा अलग अलग और बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें हम उसमें बनाते हैं मिक्सर में, and then we share with among each other. So this is your 8th one. Now for cooking everything, first you have to need to cut it. Fine. आपको पहले कटिंग करनी है. वेजिटेबल भी आपको अगर बनानी है तो you need to cut it. उसको कटिंग करेंगे, चॉपिंग करेंगे, then only you can make it. अब कटिंग या चॉपिंग करने के लिए यू रिक्वायर्ड नाइफ, जो कटलरी में आपके आ गया. व्हाट इज द अदर थिंग विच यू रिक्वायर्ड, कटलरी के अलावा और क्या चीज है विच यू रिक्वायर्ड इट, दैट इज योर 9th वन ओनली. यस, दैट इज करेक्ट. दैट इज चॉपिंग बोर्ड. दैट इज चॉपिंग बोर्ड. यस, इट्स टोटली करेक्ट. दैट इज योर chopping board. Chopping means on which you can keep anything, और फिर आप उसको चॉप कर सकते हैं, उसको कट कर सकते हैं properly, and 2, 3 part, 4 part you can cut it, and then you can make vegetable and other dishes with that. So अभी हमने क्या किया, we have done few of the things which we were used in the kitchen. kitchen में different जो चीजें हम use करते हैं, we have done about it. कौन सी चीज किस लिए use करते हैं, that also we have seen. So let's us revise once again. First we will revise it. What are the different utensils we were used, and then we'll come to tidbits. Tidbits that is related to our kitchen only. That is a very important product which was made in that particular year. Fine. So we'll come to that and we'll do that. First we will do first one, that is wok. What is wok? Wok को आप हिंदी में we called it कढ़ाई also, and कढ़ाई is basically used for frying, for deep frying and oil. Fine. फ्राइंग के लिए यूज करते हैं, डीप फ्राइंग के लिए यूज करते हैं, फॉर कुकिंग वेजिटेबल, फॉर पुटिंग तड़का एंड ऑल. तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? नंबर वन, दैट इज वॉक. WOK. What is that? WOK, which is used for deep frying and all those things. Wok is used. WOK. Now we'll come to number two, that is sieve. What is that number two? अभी मैंने आपको पिक्चर में भी दिखाया. What is number two? That is sieve. Sieve means, a sieve is a strainer kind of a thing which is used to remove unwanted object which is not required in that particular. अच्छा, sieve में it is not necessary कि हम उसमें आटा ही सिर्फ छालते हैं. हम उसके अंदर क्या करते हैं? We were putting सूजी also to remove that unwanted thing, and then we were using it for other basin also, and other few more things were there. Wherever we don't require any unwanted thing in that, there we are using sieve. Fine. Sieve मतलब एक छालनी जैसा होता है. ये देखिए बुक में you have this picture and you find it out. ये देखो ऐसा sieve आपको घर पे भी देखने को मिलेगा. फाइन. इसको समटाइम आप स्टेनर भी बोलते हैं जब आपका ये छोटा होता है. छोटा जब ऐसा होता है जिसको हम चाय छानने के लिए यूज करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टेनर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज पिक्चर ऑफ योर डिशेज. डिफरेंट डिशेज का लिए है पिक्चर जिसको आप सर्विंग के लिए वी वर यूजिंग इट, दैट इज कम्स इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ क्रॉकरी. अभी मैंने आपको एक बाउल विच कम्स इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ क्रॉकरी एंड वन कप ऑल्सो आई हैव शोन यू. फाइन. दैट इज व्हाट? दैट इज क्रॉकरी. वो क्या है बेटा? वो है क्रॉकरी. फाइन. क्रॉक. अब ये क्रॉकरी क्यों बोलते हैं? बिकॉज वो बहुत जल्दी टूट भी जाता है, क्रैक हो जाता है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड क्रॉकरी. और क्रॉकरी को आपको बहुत संभाल के रखना होता है. ठीक है. मम्मी बोलती है नहीं नहीं आप मत छुओ, टूट जाएगा. व्हाट डज दैट मीन? कि वो बहुत, दैट इज बहुत डेलिकेट चीज है विच यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट. Now number 4 is condiments. Condiments means different spices जिसमें आपके जो साबुत जो मसाले होते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दालचीनी, तेज पत्ता और ये these kind of a things. आप घर में आपको इलायची, लौंग, जो साबुत चीजें होते हैं, that also comes in condiments. Condiments means which are required to give flavor to that thing. ठीक है. Salt, spices, red chili powder, turmeric, all these comes in the category of condiments. Fine. So that is your fourth one, condiments. Now fifth is saucepan. Now saucepan comes from foreign countries because they were used this saucepan for cooking different kind of sauces. Different kind of sauces they were making. वहाँ पे बहुत तरह का सॉस बनाया जाता है and they were using these saucepan to cook it. फाइन. सॉस पेन को कोई क्यों यूज करते हैं? बिकॉज जो उसका बेस होता है वो थोड़ा सा थिक होता है, तो उससे क्या होता है, सॉस जो होती है वो जलती नहीं है. ठीक है. इट नॉट गॉट बर्न, और वो इजिली दे कैन कुक दैट सॉस इन दैट पैन. नाउ नंबर 6 इज प्रेशर कुकर. नंबर 6 इज प्रेशर कुकर. नाउ व्हाट इज प्रेशर कुकर? प्रेशर कुकर इज यूज्ड टू कुक एनीथिंग बाय यूजिंग प्रेशर. आप दाल बनाने के लिए वी वर यूजिंग प्रेशर कुकर. वी वर यूजिंग प्रेशर कुकर फॉर कुकिंग राइस ऑल्सो. समटाइम्स दीज प्रेशर कुकर्स आर यूज फॉर बेकिंग ऑल्सो, क्योंकि इसका जो मटेरियल होता है वो बहुत थिक होता है. इनफैक्ट वी वर कुकिंग idlis also in that pressure cooker. Fine. Now number 7 is spoon, fork, knife, teaspoon, serving spoon. Combinedly they are called this. That is cutlery. That is called cutlery. Cutlery. Cut means जिस चीज को हम यूज करते हैं to cut something. That is cutlery. Fine. The different thing. अब देखो knife को हम यूज करते हैं to put butter on bread. Fine. Spoon ko we were using to eat other things. Serving spoon is used as to serve those things to different person. So these all comes in the category of cutlery. So now the next is eighth one is mixture, and you can see mixture is used for making different shakes, different dishes, different like strawberry shakes and then mango shakes and different kind of a shakes we were making with that mixture. And mixer, nowadays mixer is a very important part of our kitchen. फाइन, सबके घरों में आपको मिल जाएगा मिक्सर. मिक्सर यू विल फाइंड इट आउट एवरीवेयर, आपको दिख भी जाएगा एंड इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. आपको कोई भी मसाला पीसना है या कुछ भी करना है देन यू रिक्वायर्ड दैट मिक्सर. नाउ विल कम टू नाइन्थ वन. अब देखो नाइन्थ वन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपने कटलरी तो पढ़ लिया, नाइफ के बारे में पढ़ लिया, वो भी हो गया. नाउ नाइन्थ वन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, चॉपिंग बोर्ड. चॉपिंग बोर्ड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाई इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज without chopping board, how do you cook any vegetable? आप कैसे बनाएंगे vegetable if the vegetable is not cut at all? फाइन, तो कट करने के लिए you required chopping board. नाइफ के बारे में हमने पहले पढ़ लिया, that comes in cutlery and all. और chopping board तो you must required it. chopping board तो आपको चाहिए ही होगा where you are going to cut the vegetable and all. So I hope all these objects which we were using at our home, that is quite clear to everyone. Now we'll come to our tidbits which is given on page number 44. That is, in the first home microwave oven was sold to the public in 1955. Now that is very important. Now the first that I'll write down here, first microwave oven. First microwave oven is sold to public. First microwave oven. In which year? It is sold in 1955. Now this we were talking about the microwave oven which were used at our home. So that first microwave oven was sold in 1955. The product was based on cooking appliances made by Percy LeBaron Spencer a few years before. Since then, microwaves have been mainly used for heating food just before we want to eat it. Now this is use of microwave, that we were used microwave to heating up food. Use of microwave is heating food just before we want to eat it, and that is used for baking also. That is used for baking also. Fine. So that is the use of microwave oven. And the first home microwave oven is sold in the public in the year 1955, and the product was based on a cooking appliances made by Percy LeBaron Spencer a few years before. Now this also you will remember that this product was made by Percy LeBaron Spencer. Percy LeBaron Spencer. This product was made by Percy LeBaron Spencer few years before, and it means it was made before 1955. And the first microwave oven was sold in 1955. And what is the basic use of this microwave oven is heating food before you want to eat it. Heating food before you want to eat it. And for baking cakes, for baking muffins, for baking different kind of cookies also. And in this we can do grill also, grill of different like paneer tikka, and these kind of many dishes can be made using microwave. Now microwave works on rays which were there inside, and these rays will produce that temperature which is required for by that particular thing to cook. So what you have to learn or what you have to remember is that first microwave oven was sold in 1955, which was made by Percy LeBaron Spencer before that. Fine, which was made by Percy LeBaron. Right? Fine. Now, what is the use of microwave? Microwave is used for heating food and for baking. So today we have done all these things related to our kitchen. I hope you all have enjoyed today's session, and we'll meet in another session. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.